Accuplacer math test rates of change quantitative. Question 1. Find the average rate of change between points 1, 8, and 5, 42. 8.33, 5.67, 8.5, 0.12. Rate of changes y2 y1 /x2 x1. 42 to 8 5 to 1 equals 34/4 equals 8.50. Question 2. Find the average rate of change between points 4, 8, and 7, 24. 5.33, 2.91, 1.45, 0.19. Rate of changes y2 y1 /x2 x1. 24 to 8 7 to 4 equals 16/3 equals 5.33. Question 3. Find the average rate of change between points 1, 3, and 5, 34. 7.75, 6.17, 5.17, 0.13. Rate of changes y2 y1 /x2 x1. 34 to 3 5 to 1 equals 31/4 equals 7.75. Question 4. Find the average rate of change between points 1, 7, and 9, 38. 0.26, 3.1, 3.88, 4.5. Rate of changes y2 y1 /x2 x1. 38 to 7 9 to 1 equals 31/8 equals 3.88. Question 5. Find the average rate of change between points 4, 3, and 5, 28. 0.04, 3.44, 25.0, 2.78. Rate of changes y2 y1 /x2 x1. 28 to 3 5 to 4 equals 25/1 equals 25.00. Question 6. Find the average rate of change between points 3, 9, and 5, 47. 0.05, 19.0, 7.0, 4.75. Rate of changes y2 y1 /x2 x1. 47 to 9 5 to 3 equals 38/2 equals 19.00. Question 7. Find the average rate of change between points 3, 2, and 8, 14. 2.4, 0.42, 1.09, 1.45. Rate of changes y2 y1 /x2 x1. 14 to 2 8 to 3 equals 12/5 equals 2.40. Question 8. Find the average rate of change between points 4, 2, and 7, 12. 1.27, 0.91, 3.33, 0.3. Rate of changes y2 y1 /x2 x1. 12 to 2 7 to 4 equals 10/3 equals 3.33. Question 9. Find the average rate of change between points 1, 9, and 5, 35. 7.33, 0.15, 4.33, 6.5. Rate of changes y2 y1 /x2 x1. 35 to 9 5 to 1 equals 26/4 equals 6.50. Question 10. Find the average rate of change between points 4, 7, and 8, 12. 1.25, 0.8, 1.58, 0.42. Rate of changes y2 y1 /x2 x1. 12 to 7 8 to 4 equals 5/4 equals 1.25. Question 11. Find the average rate of change between points 3, 8, and 8, 36. 2.55, 0.18, 5.6, 4.0. Rate of changes y2 y1 /x2 x1. 36 to 8 8 to 3 equals 28/5 equals 5.60. Question 12. Find the average rate of change between points 3, 9, and 6, 18. 3.0, 1.0, 0.33, 3.0. Rate of changes, y2 y1 /x2 x1, 18 to 9 /6 to 3 equals 9/3 equals 3.00. Question 13. Find the average rate of change between points 2, 3, and 9, 48. 0.16, 4.64, 4.09, 6.43. Rate of changes, y2 y1 /x2 x1, 48 to 3 /9 to 2 equals 45/7 equals 6.43. Question 14. Find the average rate of change between points 1, 4, and 8, 27. 3.29, 3.44, 0.3, 2.56. Rate of changes, y2 y1 /x2 x1, 27 to 4 /8 to 1 equals 23/7 equals 3.29. Question 15. Find the average rate of change between points 2, 2, and 8, 15. 0.46, 2.17, 1.7, 1.3. Rate of changes, y2 y1 /x2 x1, 15 to 2 /8 to 2 equals 13/6 equals 2.17. Question 16. Find the average rate of change between points 3, 3, and 7, 17. 3.5, 2.0, 0.29, 1.4. Rate of changes, y2 y1 /x2 x1, 17 to 3 /7 to 3 equals 14/4 equals 3.50. Question 17. Find the average rate of change between points 1, 4, and 5, 13. 1.5, 2.25, 2.83, 0.44. Rate of changes, y2 y1 /x2 x1, 13 to 4 /5 to 1 equals 9/4 equals 2.25. Question 18. Find the average rate of change between points 1, 3, and 9, 40. 3.7, 0.22, 4.3, 4.62. Rate of changes, y2 y1 /x2 x1, 40 to 3 /9 to 1 equals 37/8 equals 4.62. Question 19. Find the average rate of change between points 2, 3, and 9, 44. 5.86, 4.27, 3.73, 0.17. Rate of changes, y2 y1 /x2 x1, 44 to 3 /9 to 2 equals 41/7 equals 5.86. Question 20. Find the average rate of change between points 2, 2, and 9, 40. 5.43, 0.18, 3.45, 3.82. Rate of changes, y2 y1 /x2 x1, 40 to 2 /9 to 2 equals 38/7 equals 5.43.